Hi, you're welcome, good people. It's yet another edition of Cates Electrical UG. We met our brother in Bundi Bujo. Before introducing our guest, there is a saying that says, it was said by Pamita Warren Brentes. He said, desertification is protection against ignorance. It makes little sense if you know what you're doing. And with me today, I'm joined with someone again Bundi Bujo tumusanze Bundi Bujo tuli ku site yafe ye Bundi Bujo, and he's called Engineer Brian. Engineer Brian, how are you?
I'm good.
I'm good. This guy, he's going to tell us how Masanyas gave Bundi Bujo and he's going to narrate everything again at Nyonyola, how he started doing Masanyalazi. It's a trend right now. He knows what to do. So, Brian, who is Brian?
Brian someone who liked to do a course of electrical engineering.
Yes.
So I started doing certificate level.
Yes.
I went to diploma.
So are you done with your diploma?
Yeah, I'm done.
Like, friend, were you inspired? Like, you got inspiration from someone, or you just you just came out of the blue and you thought of doing electrical?
No, of course it was an inspiration from someone.
Yes.
It was my own career outside.
Yes.
Also because
So
I was inspired by me.
as in this trend of electrical,
Yeah.
what are the difficulties have you made from Masanyas?
The difficulties.
Yes.
Kusinzira kunze kyendali connection.
Yes.
Connections ezo. My connections start serving a connection, then you learn more.
But then besides talking about connections, have you tried looking for someone out or denying a chance of working with him or her?
Of course, everywhere
yes. But Chidala, how did you get connected to Cates Electrical?
How did I get connected to Cates? So I was connected by my friend.
Yes.
So I found myself that to live a bad day. I think I've enough to call a change.
Ndoza katibashi ne Julian mukitegedde nti omukulu behind Cates Electrical Company yali asamba kakapida si ebyamu ebyo ebibeereyo nga mwasama kitegedde kati endiba tugenda bakuba endiba kati brand. As in, I think it's now 3 to 4 days that you're working with Cates Electrical Company. Coach.
I have learned very many things. Improvements.
Yes.
Manyeno kali. Liwe Bundi Bujo. Na wa into Nandale improvements means as the way gets are working.
Omani, I will bring you another quote. This Bamuita Warren Buffett Yagamba, repetition and intelligence. And Yagamba, repetition and integrity are